Hi guys, all right, well done everyone. You're welcome back to class. All right, so in our last class we treated FXT102, that is forex tools and terminology. We also treated FXT103. All right, so we are welcome to our last class, and the last class in this course. All right, so and after the a part of the last class, like part of today's class, would be having a practical class. We'll be having the practical section. All right, so just patiently follow me along. All right. Okay, so in our last class we looked at a broker, look at MetaTrader, we look at trading view and terminologies. We look at who is a broker. That a forex broker is a financial service company that provides traders access to platform for buying and selling their foreign currencies. We were told that to participate fully in the forex exchange is that you need to pass through a broker. All right, so your broker is a financial intermediary between yourself and yourself being a trader and also the forex market or the stock exchange market. All right, so there's a lot of benefits that you get from your broker. Is very important, and then they don't charge you, they don't give you charges. We talked about the ask price and the bid price and the spread. That the spread is one of the main way they make their profit. All right, so then we talked about MetaTrader. I will talk about MetaTrader, so that your broker having created account, a trading account with your broker will provide you a login details that grant you access into the MetaTrader trading platform. All right, and we're told that the MetaTrader application is available on Windows devices, on iOS, and on Android devices. All right. So trading view, we talk of trading view. That trading view is basically for analyzing markets. So you don't place trade like MetaTrader. You don't place trade. The reason why trading view is there is because it gives you a lot of tools to do the proper analysis that you need to do. Where MetaTrader 5 has its own tools for analysis as well, but they have like trading view as them like much, very much, and much in abundance. All right, so check some terminology. Check on currency pairs that we've always talked about, the major pairs, which is the pairs that are commonly traded, cross pairs, that is any currency pair that does not include US dollar, and the exotic pairs, which is pairs that are not commonly traded. All right, so leverage, we talk about leverage, bid, ask price and spread, stop loss and take profit. Then we move into trading chart, forex chart, look at line chart, bar chart, and also candlesticks. And then we do a long time on candlesticks, try to do justice to it, and use this picture to explain what an increasing candle or a bullish candle means versus the decreasing candle or bearish candle. All right, so by the grace of God, in this class we'll be looking at moving average and indicators. Moving average and indicators, then I put in brackets technical analysis 1. All right, okay, so FXT104, moving average and indicators. So these are the subtopics we'll be treating this time: introduction to technical analysis, moving averages, and trading indicators. Right, so introduction to technical analysis. Now, there are basic two major ways of analyzing forex markets. These are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So, fundamental analysis is a way of looking at the forex market by analyzing economic, social, and political forces that may affect currency prices. All right. And technical analysis is the study of historical market data, including price and volume, using insights from market psychology, behavioral, behavioral economics, and quantitative analysis. Technical analysts aim to use past performance to predict future market behavior. Right. So basically, now there are two major ways of analyzing forex market. The first is fundamental analysis, and the second is technical analysis. So, in other words, you can say that the first one is like external way, like a way of analyzing market that has to do with external forces or external tools or external information. All right. Then technical analysis looks more like internal information, internal tools that you use to analyze market. Then fundamental analysis basically are the forces that may affect or influence the movement of a price. So it can be social, it can be economic, it can be political force, it can be anything. Understand? Now, let's take for instance, during the inaugural speech of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he mentioned that your fuel subsidy is gone, and then we all know what's like start happening from that same evening or maybe the following day. There was increase in petrol price, fuel price, PMS. All right, there was like increase in the price per liter just because of the information. Now this is a very good example of fundamental analysis. All right, that you heard a news that will definitely have like strong effect on the price of a commodity. It can be a price of like it can be that can be have like a serious effect or influence on the price of a commodity or the value of a currency of a country's currency. All right, so that is that. So now there are times that you just hear news. Now it can be like inflation rate, it can be like inflation rate, deflation rate, it can be like employment rate, increase in employment rate, it can be increase or decrease in like unemployment rate, it can be any economic issues, it can be any economic, social, political, that has a very strong influence, and it can actually that can actually reduce or increase the value of that country's currency. All right, so but on the other side, technical analysis is the study of historical market data. All right, including price and volume, using insight from market psychology. So from this this explanation, so you can see very well that you make use of your trading chart. Let's go back to what we have in the trading chart. Say forex trading chart graphically depicts the history behavior across varying time frames of the relative price movement between currency pairs. Now you see that following that is a technical analyst and day traders will look at such chart in order to identify trends and various patterns that can signal reversal, continuation, entry point, and exit. All right. So now back to our current class. All right. So we can see that very, very clearly. So fundamental analysts, when they do their analysis based on some fundamental informations or fundamental tools, or they don't necessarily need to go and use they don't necessarily need to go and open a trading chart, and then be looking at this thing. What they want is the information they've gotten. Like immediately when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu spoke at the his inaugural speech, like investors, foreign investors that invest in the oil sector in Nigeria, they don't need to go to check the history of like the prices and the movement of the prices of the petroleum in the past. All right, but based on the information that they just had, they just took decision, and then we see the effect. All right. But technical analysis, technical analysis or technical analysis, they make use of a trading chart. The trading chart gives you the history, and they give you like very good information of how price has been fluctuating over a certain period of time. All right, so that is technical analysis. And so on MetaTrader platform application, now there are tools that have been provided for you that helps you to make your technical analysis very well. All right. So but just that you have them more available, you have more of them on Trading View platform, right? So now let's come to moving average. Moving average actually is one of the technical analysis tools. All right. Yes, technical analysis tools is an indicator. So moving average. Now a moving average is a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis. Now the reason why we only go further with technical analysis, because that is what you are doing, that is what you actually now, because now you see people that they are fundamental analysts. What they do is that if they get information or get to know in somehow that the price of naira will be depreciating, that it will be reducing in value, they would sell the naira on them to go and use it to secure dollar. All right, so then let's move ahead. So it's used by technical analysts, used to help smooth out price data by creating a constantly updated average price and rising. A rising moving average indicates that the security is in an uptrend, while a decline moving average indicates a downtrend. We see all that in the practical section of this class. All right, so now trading indicators, because you can always come back to this and check it again and again and all again. All right, so now trading indicators are mathematical calculations which are plotted as lines on a price chart and can help traders identify certain signals and trends within the market. Now, there are different types of trading indicators, including leading indicators and lagging indicators. Examples include stochastic oscillator, Bollinger Band, relative strength index, MACD, MACD, and lastly moving average and more. Right. So um so that is trading indicators. So now these are the trading indicators. All right, so we have a lot of them. And in the practical class we see how exactly they work. All right, so I'll be opening my trading chart. I'll be showing us how they actually work. Get that right? So we can see how the chart looks like. I know you've been seeing it maybe on people's status. You'll be seeing it how people upload it, but for yourself you're going to see it in this class, and then you will understand. And then I think I will just try to play some trade on my demo account, so that you see how to place a trade and also fix your stop loss and take profits levels, so that we also fix some trading indicators. And maybe we just pick to like maybe 2 or 3 of them, and I explain to you how they really work. All right, so without wasting much time, so it is time for practical. Now let's move straight into the practical. But before we do that, please, if you are watching this video right now and then you are not yet a subscriber, one of our subscriber in this, like for this channel, please kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button. All right, so that's number one. Tap the like button, and also please help us to share this videos. Now if you stumble on this very video, you should know that we have like 2 videos that has been recorded and uploaded previously, so you can do well by going back to them and study them. I actually talked about the introductory part of this course, what is forex trading, and some other important things that you will not want to miss, especially as a beginner that is willing and ready to earn in dollar in this year 2024. All right, so another thing very important that we'll be telling you, right, is that you see I told us that you need to have a broker, and then I recommend a broker which is Xness. All right, I recommend a broker which is Xness. I think all right, yeah, we just quickly do something too. So I recommend a broker which is Xness. All right, and I will be dropping a link on in the description section, right, so that we can click on the link and register using the link for our team. All right, and that for those of us that we are on our WhatsApp group chat or WhatsApp class, we actually mentioned from the beginning of this course that at the end of this course we'll be giving a free gift to everyone that stayed to the end of this course. And the free gift, now I will be saying it again, it will be it will be announced tomorrow. All right, to be announced tomorrow. Okay, please, if you are watching this video on Monday, Monday, this video was actually recorded on was prepared on Sunday. All right, on Sunday, that's Sunday 27th, right? So if you are watching it on Monday, so and you hear tomorrow, the tomorrow I'm talking about is not Monday, is the tomorrow I'm talking about. All right, so we're going to talk about it. And what again, am I missing out something? All right, yes. So now make sure you are watching this video, make sure you use the link to register with our recommended broker. Why should you register with our recommended broker? We do something together right now. All right, so and it is after you register with our recommended broker that you will now be eligible for the free gift. The free gift is like worth up to 25,000 naira. All right, yes, you will still be getting in free of charge. All right, so before going to the practical, can we just quickly do something? I would like us to just make this thing here. So let's just quickly type top 10 brokers in the world. Top 10 brokers in the world. Let's check. Let's see. All right, top 10 brokers in the world. All right, top 10 brokers in the world. You can see. Say top 10 brokers in 2023. Now that this was last year. Say find below the list of the best forex and CFD brokers in the world. Number 1 is AvaTrade. Their minimum deposit is $100, and then they rate them like 9.75, percent, or just give it 9.75 over 10. Now the second one is the XNES that I recommend. Now the reason why I'm using this XNES is like very great, and then it's good for beginners. Like has a lot of functions that you don't want to miss and all of that. Now, and their minimum deposit is $10. Their minimum deposit is $10, and then they are rated 9.6 over 10. Right? So before we have the rest of them, XM. Now, like I mentioned sometimes back that they like you will check some other you check some other blog, and then you see like XNES be the number one, topping the table, the list of the top brokers. All right, when I'm in my own opinion. So that's why people have always asked me that what is the minimum amount to start trading forex, and then I always encourage them to start with at least $50. All right, to start with at least $50. So it means that if this AvaTrade is not here in this number 1, then it will be XNES. All right, so I'm using it. I told us that I've used up to 4 or 5 brokers now, but I'm sticking with or to XNES because I am getting a lot of benefit from them. All right, getting a lot of benefit from them. Like the last time not even the last time, every time that I've placed my withdraw my profits, it's usually within 10 minutes they will send it directly to your bank account. Unlike when I use Hot Forex, okay, yes, you see this number 7, this HF is Hot Forex Market. So this Hot Forex Market, I've used it, and then I don't know if they have top up their service now anyways, but that time if I make profit and want to withdraw my profit, I will put to impute my card, and then sometimes it takes a few days or some days before the money comes actually. But this one is between instant to that very instant time that you place the withdrawal, that you get it. All right, so now let's go to this. So I will be dropping my the registration code to to the description box. All right, so please make sure you click on it and then register your account. So if you are having any challenges, I will also put my phone number there. I will put my 2 numbers, so you can chat me on WhatsApp or call me directly, so we can help you out. All right, so now let me open MetaTrader 4. No, let me open MetaTrader 5. Okay, you are asking that what is the difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? The difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is that MetaTrader 4, you can only trade currencies. All right, you can only trade currencies. But MetaTrader 4, you can trade securities, you can trade cryptocurrency, you can trade stocks, you can trade a lot of things. Right? So now look at this chart. Let me clear my chart. Oh wow, this is what I was seeing the other time. Okay, let me use Euro USD. Can I get that now? Can I get that now? All right. Okay, let's just use Let me just use this. Like now, you see this if you check at the top left corner, you will see XAUUSD. It means that is like the currency pair, the currency pair this thing for gold versus dollar. So you can trade gold versus dollar instead of as we used to have it now, it's per currency and currency. So just that you know that gold itself is valuable, so you are comparing with another with currency which is valuable too. So that's make it happen and work out like that. All right, so now let me remove this one first. All right, so you can see, we can all see my chart. Let me come back a little bit. All right, so we can all see my chart now. Okay, yes, first I see something that we use to explain something to you. All right, if you see, look at these two lines. All right, look at these two lines here. These two lines. All right, see that one, this green one is at 2019.614 something. So the other one is about, so one of them is ask price, the other one is bid price. All right, so the difference is the spread. Okay, so what it means, and then what it means is that now I told us that when you place a sell trade, it means that you want to be seeing the what's it called now, you want to be see the price falling. All right, you want to be seeing the price falling like this. So the price is actually falling. So when you place a buy trade, you want to be seeing the price let me look for, okay, you want to be seeing the price rising like this. All right, that is, you are selling dollar to buy gold. Understand? So now this level, now gold is gaining more value than dollar. All right, so that is that. And all right, so now, so how do we now make use of moving average, like just like we just studied? Now this is the practical, right? So to use moving average, you click now it's because this my tablet is on landscape, so the interface is changed a little bit. So when you tap on the screen like this, you see, look for I don't know, maybe it's because I bend it like this way, this thing is showing like this. All right, just click on this icon. Now you see this settings icon. At least you should know settings icon, the one by the icon, like by the right side of the screen. Your screen, yes, you see the settings icon. You see this dollar icon that has circle, that is circled. Now you see this one that looks almost like like snake, that is that is holding something like this kind of zigzag or like N icon. So click on it. So when you click on it, so now you want to add indicators. So you click on this F plus. Click on F plus. So these are the list of the indicators we have. We mentioned Bollinger Band, we mentioned moving average, we mentioned, you see a lot of them. But now check the second one. We have like average direction movement, index. Then the second one is Bollinger Band. Third one, we have envelopes. We have a lot of them. Then I think fifth one, we have moving average. Now let's check the moving average. Just click on moving average. Now you can select your just make some arrangement here. Now the arrangement is like, how many candles do you want to work on? Like how many candles? I told us that this candlestick pattern is based on like if you put it in, if the time is 1 minute time frame, we still go back to that. but you just set it here. This duration is asking you, based on the duration of this. So, but ideally you can just leave it, just leave everything and just click on done, and then it has been added. So, and then click this back arrow to come back. Now you see the red line that follow the price as price is moving. Just somebody say he or she is not seeing it. Okay, let me just show you this arrow, this red line that is following the price. Yes, that is the moving average that we just add now. So how the moving average works actually is that if price crosses it down, like the way it happens, if price crosses it down here, you understand? So unlike here, let me do something now. Let me zoom out now. All right, so we can see very clearly. So you notice that, let me use this. You notice that from here the price was above the line. All right, and when it gets here, the price now pierces the line down. So when it press the line there now, and then you see that immediately it starts selling. But you see, this is not, it starts selling, but this is not the only thing you look out for to just go and make such decision. You understand? Sometimes it can cross if you don't let it cross very well before you make your decision. But just to have idea of how it works, you understand? So when it crosses down like this, it's giving you a signal that this price might be, falling. You understand? It means that dollar might start gaining more strength against gold. All right, so that is it. All right, that is very it. So, and that's it. And for maybe you're looking for buy opportunity as well, see the same thing happen here. The price was under here, and then it crosses the moving average line up here, and then it was boom, it was going up. You understand? So that is how you use moving average. If you don't get how to set it, you can backward the video to watch again. So it's still the same process. Now you see by this side, it's left side, you see this M1, M5, M15, and this thing, what it means is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And what that means again is that each of these candle will form for 1 minute if you choose 1 minute time frame. All right, if you choose something more than 1 minute, it means that each of the candles will form. If you choose like 5 minutes, it means that each of them will form 5 minutes. So for instance, now you see this very candle that is printing now, this one that is printing. So immediately this 1 minute finishes, like the next one we start printing, and then it will print only for exact 1 minute. Now, so that is how you add what moving average. Now let's check another indicator like stochastic oscillator, our good old stochastic oscillators. All right, so see them here. See oscillators family here. Oscillators where stochastic oscillator. All right, see it here. Stochastic oscillators. Now done. But now these stochastic oscillators. So what stochastic oscillators do is that now this is stochastic oscillator. This one here. Yes, I know some of you have seen it. This one here. This line from here downward, that is stochastic oscillator. So what the stochastic oscillator does actually is that now you see this level, this up level, that is like an overbought level. You see this level, that one, that's oversold level. So it means that what this thing is not telling you is that if price reaches here, because it follows the trend of price. So if price reach this area, so it's telling you that it's possible that because the price is already touching like the over, is already in the overbought zone. So that is it is possible that it will start selling, and then when you check something around there, when it happen here, start coming down. Do you understand? So it started coming down. So that is how you use stochastic oscillators. So, and for sell as well, but it doesn't always work. Or don't think maybe you've gotten a strategy. Let me just tell you the truth. You get so it's more than all this. It's more than all this, but it works too. You understand? But you need more than this. Understand? So you will not. If this is only what gives like forex trader money, like just this simple thing, then everybody should be rich already. But you know, it's actually more than this. You have to spend time, because sometimes when this thing give you certain signal, some of the signal fails. You understand? Some of the signal fails actually. So that is it. And if it is a sell too, now for instance, now see something now. See this said now, it's telling you that the price is over sold here, and that's it. You should be expecting it going up. It didn't go up, it was ranging in this place. Instead of going up, it was ranging. So you see that now. So it's not always like that. Okay, so what next? So now if you want to remove an indicator, you come back to that same point. So you firstly click on this cabbage what do you call it, this delete icon. This delete icon, you just firstly click on it, and then you select what you want to delete. You click on the delete again, and when you click on it, boom, all of them, they are gone. Now you see your chart coming back as it is. So now I don't know, finally or lastly, okay next, or you see this very candle printing, this one, be watching it. Let's wait on the next one start printing. So this one is still printing. You know, I told you something about the opening level of price, and you see another one start printing, and then you see the opening level, you see where the price started, and you see that when it was coming down, the candle was red. Now let's look if it will go up. Let's say look if it will go. If it goes up above this opening level that starts here, it will turn to green like this one. Yes, it will turn to green like that one. So it will turn to green like that one. But let's just see how it goes. It's still printing. Still printing. See now, that's the end of 1 minute, and where it stopped, the closing price, that's where the new one start. That same level, you see that. Let me draw a line there so you will see. Now look at safe. So you see at this level where it stopped here, this one started. That's where this one starts. You notice that this current candle that is printing, it started with red. If you notice, if you don't know, go backward the video, you see it started with red, and then when it was now going up, it now turned to green. And if it comes back down again, it will turn to red, because the current price level is below the opening level, and this is the opening level. So that is it actually. You understand? So there's still more to know when we are talking about technical analysis. So this one is just to give us idea of how it works actually, and at least you see now. Okay, let me also try to come back to just add that stochastic. I like the stochastic very well. I like it very well. It gives me joy. Or let's try Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, and you can add two at the same time, I and Okay, let's use RSI this time around. That's relative strength index. Let's add them. And okay, so just back your now. You've already started seeing that electric wire. I told you that. Don't worry. So all these things that you see that looks like it's, distract you. It should not distract you, because that's what helps you to make money. That's what makes you to make money. So now how Bollinger Band works is that now you see that in this Bollinger Band you are see three lines that follows the level of price. You are seeing three green lines. So the three green lines, so it means that the Bollinger Band is actually, it is a band, right? It is a band. It is like it is a digital elastic. Okay, so it's like spread and shrinks. It spread and shrinks. So part of the place that you see it shrinks is where you see prices, not moving in one clear direction. Like here now, price is not moving in clear direction. So you see the band, like the band starts shrinking in that area, and immediately when price shoots up here, the band too expanded. All right, the band too expanded. So how do you now make decision with this one? You see this one, but it can be a bit difficult to make something there. But how this one work is that if you see price cross, because now the Bollinger Band has two halves, all right, the upper part and the lower part. So if price crosses to the upper part, it means that you should be like that is a buy opportunity. You should be looking for buy, and when it crosses down, then you'll be looking for sell opportunity. All right. So, and this RSI here is doing the same work like that stochastics. So you see how it's moving. It's telling you that it's over. Let me change this because since this one is the RSI is blue, let me use something yellow. All right, let me use yellow. So this is it. You see now, when it reaches, telling you that it's oversold, it may start buying, and it start going up, and it start buying here too. You see that? So now this is just, that's what I'm telling you, that so don't be distracted to all some of this leverage. So far you choose a very good broker, and you and what I'm going to do, actually my plan with my team actually is that, when you what you are doing currently now, is that we have a team that we trade. We have a trading team that we do analysis. These are guys like with proven track record. We do analysis by ourselves, and then we now give like the signals of which currency will be going higher and which one will be coming down. You understand? We give it to our traders. So actually those signals is like it is sell for money. So by the time that you now become a professional, now you can also, if you are good, in doing this very well, so you can also be selling signal. You can do your analysis by yourself, and then look for people that you'll be selling signal to. You just tell them that, oh, this certain this particular currency pair will be increasing in, will be buying or will be selling, and then you tell them okay. So lastly, I think what I need to do is that, now let me enter a trade here. So you see, top left corner you see sell button, top right corner you see buy button. So in this case, let me just try any one of them. So let me just, now the sell button is, if you are selling, this is the amount it sells for you. If you are buying, this is the amount they buy, like they sell to you. So let me click and buy this thing. Now when I click, now you say done, and then you see, so I've already entered a buy trade. So how do I now fix my stop loss and my take profit? So fix my take profits. So I'll come to, where's the trade just itself? I think it's here, right? Is it that? You see that? All right. Okay, I think it's not. All right, let me just try to. Okay, you just. Oh, I don't want to. I don't know if this thing will work well. Now, if you are using MetaTrader 5, the reason why this thing is kind of difficult like this, well, is that because now, if you are using MetaTrader 5, you can set your stop loss like this. Just click on TP, this TP. You just adjust it anywhere you want to put your TP, and then your stop loss too. Anywhere you want to put your stop loss. Stop loss should be. Now, I clicked on buy. It means that I predict that price will be increasing, will be going up, so that if it's now start coming down, I will be losing money, because like if it goes in my direction, if I will make money, then if it's coming against me, then I will lose money now. So I will not put where it should stop my loss in case if I am wrong with the analysis that I did. You understand? If it's not accurate, so you enter that. So this is it. We enter that. So this particular first one is where you put your stop loss. This one is where you put your take profit. So how do you know which figures? So you can now say the trade is done. So if the price hit any one of them, I don't know if you can be patient to see where the price we hit, because but as this price is now, it's ranging, so there's not really much this in the market. So it means that if the price, if you go up and come and hit this level here, if you come out, let me do it. If you come out to come and hit this level here, then it will take me out with profit. But if it comes down to come and hit this level here, it will take me out again, also with loss. That is why it's called stop loss. And they take the upper one is called take profit. So what you do actually is that is because this phone is in landscape, so that's why we are not seeing this thing very clearly. So you just click on, oh sorry, let me show you this thing again. So you see this plus icon under this shapes like icons, this one. Yes. So use it like a ruler. It works for rolling this thing. So if you get a place that you want to put your stop loss, so you just put let's say you want to put your stop loss in this area, just bring it in. If this like this, your ruler is in that level, so it will now tell you will see the figure 2019.849. So you just memorize it, and then go ahead, hit your trade, just put it there. So and then before you know, boom, it's there already. So do we understand? I just want this one to either hit take profit or stop loss. So I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I don't want it to be unnecessarily long. So now while we are waiting for hit now, so this is the end of this course. All right, this is the end of this course. So what I'm going to do now, for those, I'll be sending a message to the group chat, our WhatsApp group chat. So for those who are ready to start trading, so the free gift actually is that you will register with our link. And also when you register with our link, you let us know so that we confirm your registration. So if your registration is confirmed, you have to fund your account with at least $50. If you don't have up to $50 at all, if you don't, I recommend $50, but if you don't have up to $50 at all right, you can use $30. All right, you can use $30, but I recommend $50 at least. So but if you don't have up to that, you can still use $30 and things will still go high. Now you see, as I was talking, the price almost reached that my take profit. This red one, which is I think is the bid price, or the bid price, but because that is not the price that my seller gave me the currency. So until this green line reaches there, before it will take me out with profit. You see now, immediately it touched there, it take me out with profit. So I've already made profit on that trade. Now I made profit on that trade. So that is just it. So if it is loss, it came to hit now, it will hit it take me out the trade now like this now. So it means that you don't have to be online. No, if you if you are sure of your analysis, and then you enter your analysis, fix your take profit, your stop loss, and also your take profit, your stop loss, and just do everything that you need to do very well. Just go and relax. You can off your phone, even off your data. Just come back later and come and see either you see your profit or you see your loss based on this thing. So, but like, yes, back to what I was saying. So what we do now actually is that we give signals to, yes, so if you register like that, so the free gift is that, because actually if you want to be analyzing by yourself, it will take time, and then there's still a lot of things to learn about, technical analysis. This one is just like, I'm just introducing you to it, right? I'm just introducing it to you. You get? So you just have to understand that. So what we do now is that we have traders that are, have a very much experienced traders like myself. So we do analysis. So what we do actually is that we sell signals. You understand? We sell signals, and for every month, and that is why I mention it in the advert, that you can make up to $5 to $100 in a day. Yes, it's very possible. I have friends, like part of my traders and even myself, sometimes we make like $30 in a day, and then by the time your capital, but that is with maybe around $50 account. That's why I say but if you have 30 but not below 30, I will not even recommend that at all. So we understand. Yes, that is exactly how it works. So now what now happen is that, so if you now register through that our link, you will send the email you use that will confirm. So we confirm your registration, and when you confirm your registration, you make sure you fund your account. So when you fund the account, don't worry, if you want to do it, just let me know, or just let us know in the group chat, so we put you through how to, because when you open your account, you have to activate the account, but then you have to register with our link. So now the thing now is that, so the same signals that, because that signal actually, it is 50,000 naira in a month, 50,000 naira, but before that month finishes, like, you will make up to like maybe $150 or more than that, or maybe like $200 or this thing. Okay, just imagine you are making $5 every day, and then we have like, maybe you are going to trade for like 25 days. Just times it by yourself, and then you see how much you are going to make, and that $5 is